Maintenance and looking after your blasting machine. A lot of things that goes by the wayside and people don't actually think about is there is a gasket here between your nozzle and your nozzle holder. So if we screw the nozzle out here, you'll see it's a little gasket. It sits in your nozzle holder and it prevents abrasive from hitting the end of your nozzle. If this happens, it'll very easily eat through the threads on the end of the nozzle holder and then eventually eat through the nozzle, making it, you can't use that anymore after it happens. For the sake of a 60-cent gasket, it's well worth every time you go blasting to just take the nozzle off, check it, clear out in case there's any dust in there, and tighten it back down. Very, very simple, everyday procedure, can save yourself 40, 50 euros in additional costs. If you want advice on your maintenance for your blasting machines or you need any of the parts I've just mentioned, you can give us a call on 057 913 7929 or email sales@appliedpi.com.